Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Riaana. Today I am going to show you Sunset Watercolor on the theme of Lion King and African landscape, which mostly consists of sunset, then forest, animals, sometimes stylized human figures art. But since today the theme is Lion King, so it is going to be a simple forest. I also want to say that I am not going to include every characters of Lion King, but just a lion and a lion cub like in the poster, and the rest of the animals will be roaming around in the sunset, maybe in the way of their home before the night. I had prepared some yellow ochre and scarlet red with a bigger and smaller flat brushes respectively, and now mixing in this way. The sky here is neither abstract nor realistic, but it is more like a stylized painting, or you can say it has little bit cartoonistic effect. The paper quality is not that much good. With minimum of water, it produces lots of zooms and cauliflower's effect if you don't use enough tissue, which can be really tiresome sometimes. For that, I have applied homemade gesso on the paper, which will create a little less effect of blooms and cauliflowers. But the watercolor will not flow that much. In spite of that, I am creating this painting because I want to show you sometimes something good can be made out even from the poorer things. I have already ordered some good quality paper, but in future I am going to use both good and the bad quality papers, because you don't know what you can make from what. So you have to keep exploring, right? Earlier, I have already drawn some rough animal figures on my practice paper that I will trace now on my painting. Later, I drew 2 or 3 more animal figures directly on the painting. Then here I am using brown color, or more appropriately can be said burnt sienna, and a liner brush. Then conveniently shifting to a filbert brush. Here I am mixing burnt sienna with ivory black. I have these two small fan brushes and I will use them according to my need for painting tree leaves. If you are confused about excess water, you can remove or test some on your practice paper. So I have to change the water now to paint the white sun and removing some pencil marks by an eraser. Some color may come out this way, but you can manage that by painting on the paper, and for the eraser, you have to rub it on any whiter paper. Here I'm painting some brighter tree leaves. I thought there was little bit excess water, so I'm soaking that with the help of a flat brush. This is one of my makeup brushes that I never used, but is really helpful for painting tree leaves or bushes like this. Here painting little bit of highlight, not that much in detailing, but just a bit. Since every animal was in double number, I thought it was little bit odd, so decided to reduce one bird. Here I am using a comb brush, which is usually useful for painting grasses like this or sometimes like coconut leaves. As you can see, the color had spreaded on the paper tape, but overall I thought it was little bit stylized, so I didn't paint the white in the border. I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you have loved this, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and please give it a share. Thank you so much for watching.